best cryptocurrencies to invest and make money. Cryptocurrency is still trending, it is actually in news regularly. Another proof that it is here to stay. Almost everyone is intrigued by the rising of cryptocurrency and they want to make money out of it. There are many cryptocurrencies to invest in, but the best and biggest cryptocurrencies to invest in are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, LITECOIN, and MONERO. You can trade any of the cryptocurrency at the most reliable platform, Coinbase. Before you invest in any of these cryptocurrencies, you need a clear understanding of its long and short-term investments, its technology, its plan, its way of solving problems, and its developers and founders. You should also have a clear idea of your investment goals. Typically, long-term cryptocurrency is considered better than the short-term because it has several advantages. You will not need to keep watch on the market always. 1. Bitcoin. It has over 35% share in the total cryptocurrency market. It is also the oldest but has still managed to be the most dominating cryptocurrency in the market so far. Pricing. The price of Bitcoin changes a lot in the market due to its demand. Mostly, it increases rather than reducing as expected. Investing. If you wish to invest in Bitcoin, you should always be up to date with new notifications such as its investments, pricing, and technical improvements. This will help you be informed about your investment. 2. ETHEREUM. Ethereum is a very good alternative in the cryptocurrency world as it has more than 15% shares of the industry. It has not been in the world for many years compared to Bitcoin but has shown good investment opportunities. Ethereum has also offered a special platform where developers can build their own cryptocurrencies. Pricing. It has good pricing which makes it a better option for new developers. Their pricing has been noted to increase periodically. Investing. It makes work simpler for new developers as one can launch her project in the new blockchain projects. This project has helped thousands of people managing the supply chains of their businesses. 3. Ripple. It is known for being one of the best performing cryptocurrencies in the world over the past 1 year. Pricing. Its prices have reduced like the rest of the cryptocurrencies, although its pricing is lower than that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Investing. It's probably the best since it's not only a digital currency but also a payment system. Like Ethereum, it also uses blockchain technology. During international payments, Ripple uses hours for its transactions, unlike other services which may take almost a week. 4. LITECOIN. Over the past year, LITECOIN has shown great performance. In 2017, LITECOIN took a high jump into the best cryptocurrencies in the world. Pricing. Its price has grown with an increment of $300 over the last year. It also dropped a little but managed to stay at the top. Investing. It has the largest market and its investors continue to grow due to its closeness to Bitcoin. As LITECOIN is an improvement of Bitcoin. 5. MONERO. It is a good premier privacy coin. Its market capitalization and reputation are way better than those of its rivals. A significant version of Monero was released. It contains more improvements which demonstrate that Monero has a good vision for its developers and those willing to invest. Conclusion. Cryptocurrencies are good investment but also very risky. The key is to stay informed and up to date. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.